Markets wobble amid RBI's status quo. GIFT Nifty is struggling to keep its head above water as the trading theme still revolves around the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, who maintained status quo on key repo rates at 6.5%. The RBI, however, slashed cash reserve ratio (CRR) by 50 bps, leading to infusion of 1.16 lakh rupees crore into the banking system. RBI has revised its CPI inflation forecast for FY25 upwards to 4.8% against 4.5% earlier, as well as Q3 FY25 estimates to 5.7% versus 4.8% earlier, and Q4 FY25 forecast to 4.5% versus 4.2% earlier, while lowering the full-year real GDP growth projection to 6.6% from 7.2% earlier. Now, all eyes will be on India's CPI numbers, which will trickle in on Thursday, 12th December. On Friday the 13th, the WPI inflation numbers are slated to release as well. The biggest positive catalyst for day continues to be sluggish crude oil prices at $68 a barrel. Long story short, an up and down session on cards. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,830 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 1,659 crores. Sentiments are likely to be waver. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought conditions on the daily charts. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is trading near 14.14 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.22 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.07. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade choppy and volatile. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,678. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,471 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,550 and to 4,850. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 53,510. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 52,753 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,467 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,000 and 54,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Need to know. Interestingly, the morning sluggishness at GIFT Nifty is despite the S&P 500 closing at its highest level ever. The Nasdaq too nabbed a new high in Friday's trade. The positive catalyst, November US jobs report solidifies rate cut expectations. Another rate cut in sight. Having said that, all eyes will be on US Consumer Price Index for November, which will be wired this Wednesday, 11th December. The US CPI still has the potential to upset bullish traders' expectations for a quarter-point rate cut. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. Buzzing stocks. 1. The IPO market is likely to be quite active this week, with 11 companies gearing up to launch their IPO, collectively aiming to raise nearly Rs 18,500 crore. The firms launching their IPOs are Vishal Mega Mart, TPG Capital-backed Sai Life Sciences, and fintech firm One MobiKwik Systems. 2. Vedanta is gaining limelight on healthy outlook and also as the company's demerger was on track and in its final stages. The company has proposed demerger of business into 6 independent, pure-play companies, i.e. Vedanta, Vedanta Aluminium, Vedanta Oil and Gas, Vedanta Base Metals, Vedanta Steel and Ferrous Metals, and Vedanta Power. 3. Zomato and Swiggy too are star outperformers. Zomato hit an all-time high at 304.65. Please note, Swiggy's stock price has gained plus 33% since listing. Meanwhile, market cap of Zomato is now Rs 2,88,833 crores, making Zomato more valuable than DMart, Trent and Bajaj Finserv. Zomato is enjoying action on backdrop of a strong brand value and increasing demand for business-to-consumer, B2C, business and speedy commerce. 4. IGL stock price is in demand on reports that the company will consider the proposal of a bonus issue on 10th December.